Hey there, it's Joe from IgniteVisibility. If you're in the franchise industry, you know how crucial your website is for attracting potential franchisees. But driving traffic to your site is only half the battle. Turning that traffic into qualified leads is where the real magic happens. Today I'm going to walk you through the 5 key items that will transform your franchise development website into a lead-generating powerhouse. Let's start with the first and most important element, a clear and compelling value proposition. Your website visitors need to instantly understand what makes your franchise unique and why they should consider investing. This means your value proposition should be front and center on your homepage, clearly articulating the benefits of joining your franchise. Think of it as your elevator pitch. It should grab attention and make potential franchisees want to learn more. Next up, make sure your contact information and calls to action are easily found. You'd be surprised how many franchise websites hide their contact details or bury their CTAs deep within the website. Your goal is to make it as simple as possible for interested visitors to reach out. Include multiple contact methods, such as phone, email, and contact form, and place a strong, clear CTA like request more information or schedule a consultation throughout your website. CTA buttons should always stand out and be easily found. Third, create a detailed franchise information page. Potential franchisees need to know exactly what they're getting into: investment requirements, training programs, support systems, and earning potential. This page should be comprehensive, well-organized, and answer the most important and common questions, really, that prospects might have. The more transparent and informative you are, the more confident your visitors will feel about taking the next step. Fourth, leverage the power of success stories and testimonials. Nothing builds credibility like real-life stories from existing franchisees. Include testimonials that highlight their positive experiences, successes, and how your franchise has helped them achieve their business goals. Consider adding a video, testimonial, or even something else to engage that prospect. When prospects see others succeeding, they're more likely to envision themselves doing the same. Finally, offer high-quality content and resources. This can be in the form of blogs, ebooks, and downloadables and guides in an effort to provide valuable insights into the franchise industry, your brand, and what makes it a success for a franchisee. Not only does it establish you as an authority in the field, but also keeps visitors engaged, encourage them to stay on your site longer and take action. Plus, it's a great way to capture leads, offering a download resource in exchange for, of course, contact information. Ready to optimize your franchise development website for better lead generation? At IgniteVisibility, we specialize in helping franchises like yours turn online traffic into tangible results. Reach out to us today and let's get started on taking your franchise brand to the next level.